Hey, Janice Lamb here with Everyday Chaos. Just wanted to show you a little bit more progress on what's going on.
So remember, this used to be a 2-bedroom up here, 1 kitchen and 1 bathroom, and now it's 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here was the living room, this was where the old kitchen was, now is the other bathroom. Right now, we are taking to the grinder. I got a lot of baseboards to cover. There's a lot of nails on them. We're just reusing the ones that were already here. They're already actually pretty nice. And yeah. Grinding and grinding some more. And here's the stack we've already done. Here's the stack we have left. There's a lot of nails. And of course, my lovely sister who was able to come out and help us with some of this project. We very much appreciate you. Thank you so much, sis.
We finished that dang pile, and because, you know, we started off with hammering all the nails out because someone thought that was a good idea, and it wasn't. It was horrible, and at first I was like, maybe I should just consider throwing these away. But then I remembered that we kind of need them, so we took to the grinder. Much better.
Now that these are done with grinding, I can sand them.
Go and restain them all. I was going to do them a darker color that will match the floor. And that will be up